We have already learned the names of some vegetables. Les légumes. Do you remember those vegetables? I hope you remember them, and I hope you found out the names for other vegetables in French. Now we shall learn the names of some fruits. Les fruits. Les fruits. So I have written the names of 6 fruits. So shall we learn the names of fruits? The first one we are going to learn is la pomme. La pomme. It means apple. La pomme. Do you remember the name of the vegetable that had this word in it? It was la pomme de terre. Do you remember this name? It means the potato. Potato. So, la pomme is apple. The next fruit is la mangue. La mangue. It means mango. La mangue. The next one is la poire. La poire. It means the pear. La poire. The next one is very obvious. Yes, l'orange. It is the orange. The orange. Le citron. Le citron. It is lemon. And finally, les raisins. Les raisins. It is the grapes. So, we have learnt the names of 6 fruits. Les fruits. La pomme, apple. La mangue, mango. La poire, pear. L'orange, orange. Le citron, lemon. Les raisins, grapes. So now, do you remember the names of the colors that I taught you? In order to refresh your memory, can we try saying the colors of these fruits? So, la pomme, it is an apple. What color is the apple? It is red. And what do we say for red in French? Yes, it is rouge. So, we are refreshing our memory of the various colors that we learned. So, an apple, that is la pomme. La pomme est rouge. It is red. The mango. So what color is the mango? It is yellow. What do we say for yellow in French? It is jaune. Jaune. Next, la poire. Pear. So what color is the pear? It is green. Vert. It is green. So by doing this, you can also learn the names of the fruits along with the colors. So you will be thorough with the colors, the basic colors and some basic fruits. For this fruit, I don't have to tell you. L'orange. It is orange. And what do we say for orange in French? The spelling is the same. It is orange. The spelling, it is pronounced l'orange. So these are some basic fruits, and you can try writing the colors for the remaining fruits. And in order to learn the names of more fruits that we eat, you can refer a dictionary. I hope you have now learnt the names of fruits, some vegetables, some colors. So we will be learning more and developing our vocabulary in the upcoming classes.